Here's a brand new RunTru. It replaced one of the Bryants. 2.5 ton, 2024. Man, that's actually a really good install. Wow. It's a heat pump. Yep, it's a heat pump. Has it been running? Nope. And here's this Bryant running. Oh, that's freezing. And the American Standard's still here. Here's this train running. Oh, it's hot. Not frozen, it's shaky. This also replaced the Bryant. I have the top logo off of it. There's this Concord. No. That carrier's straight. American Standard Gold Series. This is the only one, plus it's not a heat pump. See, are any of these, this Bryant's a heat pump? And there's that bigger Concord. It's still there. American Standard Platinum Series.